guys. So first of all, the goal here is to get ready. It is 4:05 and I have to leave the house at 5 o'clock to start like heading to work. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with my LA Girl Pro Prep, and I use this to mattify my face. Then I put my Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth, and this just kind of hides any imperfections. Next, I'm going to just conceal the dark circles under my eyes because I do work night shift. I get a lot of dark circles, okay, lack of sleep. So after that, I'll take my Becca foundation, and this is in the Aqua Luminous. Yeah, Perfecting Foundation. So I'll take this. This is like a sheer coverage. So I'll put some of that on the back of my hand. Put about 2 drops. And then I'll take, because it was winter, so my face is a little light, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the color 355 Coconut. I will take some of that and I will add it to the back of my hand. I won't put a lot because it's kind of dark, but it does work for me. This is what definitely works for me. So next I'm going to mix that on the back of my hand and apply it all over my face. I like to focus the most product in the middle because that's where I like the most coverage. So I start from the middle and blend out. What I'll do next is I'll take my finishing spray, L'Oreal, and this is the Infallible Pro Setting Spray. It's like $17, but it's totally worth it. It lasts me. So I spray a little bit of the setting spray, and I go in starting under my eyes, up into my forehead, just blending the foundation out. So like I said, I like to start from the center of my face and blend outward. It just gives me better coverage, and I like the way it turns out. And also when you're doing this, you want to pounce the beauty blender onto your skin. Don't like rub and drag, because then you're just going to take away all the product that you're trying to apply on your face. And y'all, please don't forget to apply foundation to your neck. There is nothing worse than looking like a ghost. Like, your foundation should already somewhat match your skin, but you also need to blend it down to make sure it is blended. Next, I'm taking the LA Girl Concealer in Fawn, and I mix that with some of my leftover foundation. Wasted product is wasted money, that's what I always say. So I always like to use everything that I have on the back of my hand. Oh, sorry guys, my dog is outside and he's upset. But next I'm just putting on some of the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and it's in a really light, I believe it's like medium or something. And I just use that to brighten the center of my face because I like to highlight and conceal but also brighten. And again, if you have like textures or blemishes, like makeup isn't gonna cover these. Like, you're still gonna see the bumps. Like, you can make it look like the color, but it's not gonna go away. So don't expect, if you put on makeup, everything's just gonna go away. Your blemishes are gonna be gone. No, honey, you're still gonna have the imperfections. That's why skincare is so important, guys. Like, if you have a good base, then your makeup is gonna look flawless. But if like you don't take care of your skin, you sleep with your makeup on, then it's not gonna work out. So now I'm gonna use, everyone's been asking me what I use to set my face. This is Airspun, some of this powder. And what I'll do first is I'll put like the first part on it because it's like wet. And this is gonna give you like an airbrushed finish. And I just pat this into / on my skin. Yes. Okay, y'all, so I pretty much use Airspun to set my whole face because it's really the only setting powder that works for me. Like, I never look super ashy. Like, right now I look super ashy, and you guys are probably like, yo, what the fudge is going on? But, like, this stuff literally sets my face. My makeup does not move. I don't look oily. And usually when I contour and add, like, the bronzer, it brings back the normal color to my skin. So you guys are probably like, oh my gosh, she looks ashy, but trust me, at the end you're gonna be like, oh, okay, it all came together. And that's because Airspun is literally the only powder that works for me. Like I said, if you have another powder that works for you, go ahead and use it. And as you saw my arm, the arm of a makeup artist, you literally use your body as like a palette or a dusting, whatever you call it. So next I'm just adding my baked blush. I usually don't like wearing blush, but today I was like, it's a necessity. Now I am highlighting with, of course, Champagne Pop, and I like to put this on first. If you already have amazing thick eyebrows, you honestly can skip this step. Keep it pushing, keep it going. I'm not blessed in the eyebrow department, so me, myself, and I have to do my eyebrows. And I will like do an in-depth eyebrow tutorial. I know a lot of people have been asking for that. But when I do my makeup for work, I don't focus too much on like my eyebrows looking super perfect. I just want them to look natural. Okay guys, so we're not focusing on getting the eyebrows super perfect, but you want them to look nice. So pretty much what I'm doing is I'm following the natural shape of my eyebrow. I find that it's a lot easier when I've done my whole foundation routine if I'm not doing eyeshadow or anything and I'm not particularly worried about fallout. That doing my eyebrows last definitely works better when I'm in a rush than doing them first. Don't ask me why. That's just what works for me. I'll take a step back and just like look at them, see if they look similar, and then I'm going to conceal. You don't have to do this step. Put on my mascara. I won't be putting on lashes today because this is a quick everyday get ready with me, but if this was like I'm going like out somewhere with my friends and I just want to look cute, like we're going out to dinner or something, I'll do the same routine, but I'll just throw on, I have my lashes right here actually, I'll throw on these lashes and oh guys, like I wish I could put them on and show you, but like they literally give you like that cat eye, and oh, I love that. So I usually go in with 2 to 3 layers of the mascara, and it just makes my eyelashes look a lot fuller. Now I'm wiping off the access powder on my lips and setting my face. See how it just makes it look so much more natural? It's like everything looks separate. You set it with setting spray and it just sucks everything together. Oh, like look at that. Okay. Now I'm going to use the Aurora palette and I like to go in with Lyra. It's like a pretty rose goldish color. It has like specks of pink in it. And I just love the way it reflects. Like, it's a gorgeous highlight. I never thought I'd use the Aurora palette as much as I do, but I literally even use the greens and the blues because it's just so amazing and it's so much fun to create different things with this palette. And as you see, like I said, I like to go in with 2 to 3 layers of mascara, y'all. I love me some mascara. And I'm just using my Lip Injection Extreme by Too Faced. And it gives you like this really tingly feeling, and I love it. Now I'm just going in with my heart earrings. I'm obsessed with hearts right now. And boom, just like that. Ready for a night shift, y'all. Literally, it's that simple. Nothing crazy, nothing horrible. And then usually I'm wearing my glasses anyway, but you know, I still like to look a little cute. I have to take them off, you know, talk to somebody or something. Like sometimes I have a crap day and have to go to work and I just want to look cute. Like I just want to, I'm in scrubs, I'm already dealing with some people with nasty attitudes sometimes, so I want to look poppin' when I'm at work, because I want to be like, listen, even though I'm here in these scrubs, I'm still lavish, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please, please, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you liked it, go ahead and put a thumbs up and let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see more Get Ready With Me's, if you want to see more vlogs, let me know in the comment section down below. I love you guys. Stay unique and beautiful. It's just us, girl. Let me know what's up, girl. What's up, girl? 'Cause I'm gonna tell it down.